Friday, October 30th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East along with you. There's your highs from Thursday out there. Pretty comfortable across the region. Had some 70s and a lot of spots, 80 down in Columbia. Around the Triad viewing area, it was upper 60s and lower 70s for most folks. Same general idea down around the Charlotte viewing area as well for Thursday. It will be cooler today, probably low and mid 60s for a lot of Piedmont highs this afternoon. Here's today's fall photo of the day. How about that? That is Phoebe and Lacey dressed up as Batgirl and Snow White. Joan Williams submitting that photo. Thanks for sending that in. And keep those weather or fall related photos coming. NC Weather at twcnews.com. All right, temperatures as I cut the video during the 5 o'clock hour this morning. Cooler. A lot of folks in the Piedmont down into the 40s. The larger cities in some instances in the low 50s, but certainly a bit of a cooler feel to the air. Wind not an issue out there this morning. And there's a lot of relatively cool late October air in the central and eastern parts of the country. And we will have a cooler day today in spite of a sunny sky overhead here for your Friday. Over the past couple of hours, some light rain near the South Carolina coast. That's about it. Everything very quiet overall over much of the southeast. But here's the beginnings of our next storm system. Some areas of rain back into Texas. That's a system that'll begin to spread some rain our way by later Sunday, and especially Sunday night into Monday. Yesterday, no rain officially recorded at the PTI airport. Monthly surplus about 1 1/3 inches. A lot of sunshine today. We're in good weather shape here for your Friday. Our highs today look like that. And then probably low 40s and some upper 30s for a lot of Piedmont low temperatures on our Saturday morning. Tomorrow, Halloween looks fine, although we'll see more and more in the way of some of these clouds building overhead. Not bad, though. Your highs tomorrow and for your Halloween afternoon shape up in the 60s for a lot of North Carolina. I think we're just fine for the trick-or-treaters coming up Saturday evening. But then we get into Sunday, and that's when we begin to see some rain possibilities moving in. I think any rain in North Carolina Sunday at this point looks to be relatively light. But then certainly as you get towards Sunday night, the intensity of the rain picks up. There's your Sunday highs, and then watch what happens here. This is Sunday evening and Sunday night. You see the intensity of the rain really beginning to pick up, and that'll continue into Monday morning before tapering off later in the day. The GFS computer model, all totaled up, prints out 1 to 2 inches in a lot of the region, 3 inches plus down around Atlanta. In fact, the I-85 corridor there, Atlanta up toward Greenville-Spartanburg, kind of the bullseye zone, and European fairly similar. There's a European rain total, so it looks like a pretty decent rain event. Again, the heaviest period of rain probably Sunday night into Monday morning. Tropics, all is quiet, no sign of any trouble through the Gulf, Caribbean, or western Atlantic Ocean. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody have a great weekend, and God bless.